With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, which of the following molecules have zero dipole? So the dipole moment in a molecule arises when there is a separation of charge. Separation of charge. And in the molecules which are having a covalent bond, the dipole moment arises from the difference in electronegativities. So if we consider a molecule which has a covalent bond A, B. So if B is more electronegative than A, then this B will have a partial negative charge and A will have a partial positive charge. So the direction of dipole will be from the positive charge to negative charge. So it will be here, and this will be the representation of dipole. So if we see the first option, which is CS2, this CS2 has a linear shape. So if we draw it, so it will be C double bond S double bond S. So since sulfur is more electronegative in comparison to carbon, so the direction of dipole will be towards sulfur in this way, and here also in this way. So the dipole moments in both the direction will get cancelled out and the overall dipole moment of the molecule will be 0. Now the second, it is CO2. This CO2 also has a linear shape. So if we draw it, so it is C double bond O double bond O. So if we want to see the direction of the dipoles, since oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so it will be towards oxygen, and here also it will be towards oxygen. So in this also, the dipole moment will get cancelled out in both the directions and the overall dipole moment will be 0. Now the third molecule, which is CCl4. So this CCl4, it has a tetrahedral shape. So if we draw it, so it will be C, Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl. Since chlorine is more electronegative than carbon, so the dipole direction will be towards chlorine in this way. So the net dipole moment from these three chlorine will be in the downward direction. So this dipole will get cancelled out from the dipole of this chlorine, and the overall dipole moment for this molecule will be 0. Now the fourth one, which is CH2, Cl2. So this also has a tetrahedral shape. So if we draw it, so it is CH, H, Cl, Cl. So since chlorine is more electronegative than carbon, so the direction of dipole will be towards chlorine here, here also. And since carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen, so the dipole will be here and towards carbon. So the net dipole moment will be somewhat in this direction. So this molecule will have some dipole moment, so its dipole moment is not 0. So the correct option will be option 1. CS2 will have 0 dipole moment, CO2 will also have 0 dipole moment, and CCl4 will also have 0 dipole moment.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.